As a pet owner, it's always good to have a really good carpet cleaner. And now that my dog is a senior, he's starting to have accidents in the house. So I wanted something very heavy duty. And I got this. I'm going to put it together and then let's put it into action. Since we're needing the deepest clean possible, I got the antibacterial pet stain and odor remover, and this is for the easy fill systems. So we're going to put this in with some hot water. It has a line for water and then for formula and antibacterial formula. Let's pop it on. All right, let's clean. One thing, this has an insanely long plug cord, which I really appreciate. This is the little trigger right here. Wow, lots of dirt picked up. So far, I am super impressed with the TurboClean, and I think you're gonna love it as well.